In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an illusion of a border, or make it so your shape, so image, circle, rectangle, actually loops around the screen over and over again. So I'm assuming you already know how to make a shape show up on the screen. So I have this image variable. I have set that variable, and I actually in my update already have it moving based on the key right. So first I want to make an illusion of a boundary. So I'm going to ask a question, and my question is going to be, is the current x of my dog greater than some number? So in my case, it's going to be greater than 300. It's a little scary to use equal to. It's possible that when I'm going up by my amount, I don't actually hit 300 exactly. So for instance, if this was going up by 7s, it's very unlikely I would hit 300. 5s is possible. But instead I'm going to say if my x is bigger than 300, I'm going to create a boundary. To create that boundary, it's going to be a set x to 300. Now I do need to tell it what thing I'm talking about. So I'm talking with the dog. And there we go. So if I move to the right, my dog will keep on moving a little bit slowly. And once it gets to 300, eventually it will stop. And it's creating this illusion of a boundary. Now if you want it to wrap around, we can do that as well. I'm just going to change the speed so it's a little faster. So instead of saying if current dog x is greater than 300, set it to x, we can actually change this back, this number 300, to maybe somewhere on the other side. So 0 or 100 in my case. Then I'll move it back left and make it look like it's wrapping around. If you were to have done that on the other side of on the very edge of the screen, it'll look like it just jumps over. And that'll happen forever and forever, over and over again. Now this is one way to write this. A second way to write the exact same thing would be dog.x. So now we're treating it like a variable. And we're going to go plus equals 5. And then over here, for the set equals, I'll just write it again. I'll do dog.x. And now I'm going to tell it, so just a single equals, I'm telling it to go to 100. And this will work the exact same way as the other code. I think it's a little easier to read. And there you go. You have the illusion of a boundary, as well as how to make it wrap back and forth.